Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find Cristiano Ronaldo on the FIFA 23. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. So let's enter, for example, for the customize, edit teams, club transfers, and we have to switch country to England. Stay at the highest league, the Premier League, and pick Manchester United. And there it is. As you can see at the first place, that's the Cristiano Ronaldo with the highest rating of the all Manchester United players. If you want to transfer this player to another one, you can just click with the X and then move it wherever you want by using this country, league, and also team. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.